Good morning everyone, it's Laura the Quarantine Gardener, and here we are with a little cauliflower floret has come out, and I have to say, for me this is the absolute magic of gardening. And I know I've given many talks and I've said forget Harry Potter, this is the real magic, because no matter how many courses I do, how many books I read, no one can still explain to me exactly how a seed that looks quite inert is planted and sown in soil, and then this happens. There's a magic and an alchemy and a transformation that is just beyond the human mind to describe. That's my experience of it. This is the magic. And then I'm just going to show you another piece of magic as I walk into the tunnel. And that's yesterday, no flower on this cucumber, and today look at that. So this is the beauty, the absolute beauty and magic of gardening, and I hope you're all really getting that. So happy gardening everyone.